So finally I got this stupid watch tour. I just uploading the first clip. It's about 50%. Took me a few hours. So this is the new 42 millimeters. I can't remember, was it Parnes or Bleecker. I have to look at the order. I didn't say anything on the box that I got them from. I have to look at the order. I think it's Parnes apparently. So first thing first, the clap that was on it was this Milgauss type, and it was broken in the box. So I swapped it with my Bleecker Milgauss Homage. So perfect fit for both, and I got the the one that come on the Milgauss was the double clap. Just like that. Like that. Anyway. Hello. Yep. 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 Yeah. Take your time. We can do chicken another week. Or actually, I think they close late, aren't they? Yeah. Come over when you're free. Nah, no problem. Okay. Okay. Oh. Yep. Yeah. Oh. All right. See ya. Bye. Some interruption there. Let's get this focus right. That interrupted my upload, but upload still going 59%. That's good. All right, so let's get back to this watch. Okay, so I think it's the Parnes. So now that I swapped the clamps, it's perfect fit on my wrist. Let's put it on my wrist. Okay, I like it because I'm used to the big, huge TVs, you know. I'll show you the TVs later. Anyway, so the biggest sub homage, this is the 43 millimeters. Okay, slightly bigger, you know, but it doesn't have the weight to it, you know. And I really hate the Cyclops because it's always not at the right spot. Okay, and this is the most expensive one in my collection except my real Rolex. This one is nearly 300, nearly 400 Australian dollars. I think 360 I paid. So this is 40 millimeters, a very small, tiny, you know, comparing to this one. Okay, so in between them two, 40 to 43, I got the 42. So I think the new sub is gone for 40, 41. Maybe that's not such a bad idea. Anyway, so I will do another clip on this watch just to see how the times go. I think the changing of the date wheels is nearly spot on at 12 midnight. So I'll test that again tonight, but when I was setting it, it seemed to work like that. Okay, so this is look more like a the Deep Sea. It's got this fake valve, you know, it doesn't have anything on there, and also the dome on the glass is a bit curvy. Now let's have a look at the height. The height is actually 14.5. Okay, so quite thick, but the actual oyster case is still only 5.8. you know, like the same size as the Milgauss or the 49 millimeters one. So that's not so bad. So now just gonna show you quickly how big the Tavis is. Okay, so this Tavis is also sub homage. This is the cheapest homage you can get. It's very thick, nearly 14.8, and the case is 43 and a bit, so nearly the same size. Nearly the same size as the Pagani, you know, but yeah, it's very light, this one, because the case is not even stainless steel. Okay, so that's how big it is. This one is even huge, you know. This is the Tavis 823F. It's the model. It's freaking thick, as number T823F. Yeah, F. Okay. So I don't wear this one much at all, because go and have a look at my other review on this. Is the date that's got up to 39 day in a month. So that's shocking. Alright, so I'm gonna enjoy this watch for a while. This is a sterilized dial, so it doesn't have any marking on it, you know. Lucky I have one like this with no marking at all. Actually, yep. Alright, thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel. That will help me out a lot. If I hit my 1,000 subscriber, I will give away one of my watches. Okay, and whoever commented will be get into the draw. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.